Sonic Alert Alarm Clock. Vibrating Alarm Clock. Sonic Alert Sonic Boom Dual Alarm Clock is one of the strongest alarm shakers on the market for heavy sleepers and deaf individuals. An award-winning, globally recognized leader in the international electronics field, helping the deaf, hard-to-wake, and elderly communities across the world. A trusted brand for over 40 years. We strive to provide cutting-edge products that support our mission to alert and notify users through electronic communications. Check the description below on where to buy it.
With 3 alarm modes: sound, vibration, and both sound and vibration. Even the vibrator pod has 3 vibration levels. Power cord with vibration configuration is 5.9 feet long. On the top, left and right knobs shaped like ears make for easy adjusting. Dim the screen for night and daytime comfort and use the knobs to adjust hours and minutes. Set 2 alarms, making it usable for 2 people at a time. The alarm volume has 7 levels and can reach 110 decibels. This makes this alarm clock ideal for deep sleepers and hearing impaired. A convenient USB port allows you to charge your phone or any device. Use AAA batteries in case of power failure to store your alarms in memory. Never miss a wake-up call again with the uscce Loud Dual Alarm Clock with Bed Shaker.